Okay, let's be honest here. You have to have sold out pretty good to be reviewing a flipping drink bottle on a camera channel. However, I promise I sold out only a smidge because this drink bottle has got a pretty cool trick. As far as build quality goes, I mean, I don't know. It's a drink bottle, it's solid and metallic. Except for the lid, that's plastic and rubber, and don't fill her up straight away as there is some cleaning and safety guides inside the bottle. And this bottle's aperture has got to be at least f1.4. But here's this bottle's little magic trick. That lid, it's flipping MagSafe. Yes, this bottle works as a phone holder, or to keep up the camera theme, it's a monopod, a mono bottle pod. Now some of you might be thinking big deal, but for all you gym junkies, this is a 2-in-1. For whenever you're having a FaceTime or Zoom and get tired arms, you could go to the gym or buy a Ringo. But seriously, with how convenient phone cameras are and you know you should be drinking more water, this is a pretty cool little life hack. And if your phone's not MagSafe, yes, it comes with a magnetic ring to stick to your case to make it so.